Hello everybody, and welcome to Womble's Hive. Well, 18th of December has already passed and we had a wonderful colour. Now what do you suppose the 19th will be? I finally got my tree up, so that's a good thing. But now it's Archie's countdown to Christmas. It was a fantastic colour yesterday. Let's just bring in a little bit more light for you guys so that hopefully you can see the blue glitter. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Deep purple, deep lilac-y purple to be fair, with beautiful blue glitter. It was as lovely as I thought it was going to be. But now it's time for Snow Angel. So, what colour do you think Snow Angel is? I'm going to guess a golden pink. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm definitely feeling golden pink. So we've got the candy swirls on the back there. So let's get in. It doesn't want me to. Here we go. I've got it. We're doing it. Right, here we go. So what colour do you think it is? Here we go. Oh my days. It very much appears to be white with gold. Can you see the gold shining in there? Ooh, let's have a look. This is exciting. So yeah, I finally got my tree up. So you can't see it on camera because it's in a completely different room. But I do have my tree up. It is in the living room right now with the lights turned on, flashing away. Where's this gold? Where's my dabber? There it is. Oh, it is coming out. It is coming out. Let's make sure it's fully activated so we get some of this lovely gold coming out. That is incredible. Right, I don't think you're going to see much colour-wise, but let's hope that you get some of this gold coming out. So here is Snow Angel. And it's actually, seems like it might be a fairly shiny white. Might have some iridescence, I'm not sure. I'm also not sure if I'm picking up any of this gold. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. I'm sure we'll find out. Let's dab that off. Oh, I can see bits of gold in it. Don't know if you guys can, but let's give it a little twizzle. Whilst it's wet, you might just be seeing the shine of the paint. But that's going to be interesting. Now, if you were doing some snowy clouds and you wanted a little bit of shine up there, I think that's going to be a good paint. Well, let me know what you think, guys. That's an interesting one. Snow Angel, day 19. So, I will leave you there. Whilst that dries, I will get you uploaded. And you will see it very soon, and I will see it in about 10 minutes. You'll see it tomorrow when I'm back. And until then, find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.